Hamper is a standalone automated dry cleaning drop-off kiosk that we install in office buildings. The idea of Hamper can be best thought of as the red box for dry cleaning. We partner with Class A office buildings here in downtown and in the Galleria area to offer on-site dry cleaning as an amenity for the tenants of the building via our Hampers, as we call them. Both my brother and I have grown up in our family's dry cleaning business, and it wasn't until a few years ago that we noticed how much of a hassle and inconvenience dry cleaning was for our customers. With most of our customers being professionals that work 9 to 5, we noticed that a lot of them were scrambling after work, sitting in rush hour traffic, just trying to make it to the cleaners. That's when we thought there's gotta be an easier way. At that time, we had the idea of having some sort of automated standalone kiosk where customers can come up to and get their dry cleaning dropped off at their convenience, whether it be in the morning, at night, doesn't matter. The biggest thing was it's gotta be at their convenience. In 2017, we started our business and we knew we kind of bit off more than we could chew. So what we did is we actually started as an on-demand pickup and delivery service. We built an app for iOS and Android, and we also had our website where customers can go and schedule their pickup and delivery times based off of their schedule. We operated as that for a little while, and in the background, we were actually working on building our prototype for our Hampers. As of last year, we introduced our pilot program for our Hampers, and we partnered with a handful of office buildings here in Houston, mainly in the downtown and Galleria area, to install our kiosks to offer the tenants of the buildings on-site dry cleaning as an amenity via our Hampers. So if we win the $10,000, we plan on investing a majority of that into developing more kiosks. We have a lot of partnerships lined up with many buildings and are trying to keep up with demand. A majority of the money would go to manufacturing more kiosks, but also into marketing efforts for our team.